Hello, I'm Lady in the Frogs, and well, I'm Lady. My name's Linda, and these are frogs. Today I am going to be doing another WASGIJ. WASGIJ. I apologise for the purists out there who are WASGIJs. But anyway, this is. I usually pick a lot of these up to sell. Well, I enjoy doing them actually, but I do sell them on my eBay business account. So this one is, I haven't even read what it is. What are we doing? We're doing live entertainment. I've got a load of these that I need to get on with. So live entertainment is what this is called. Away from the drizzly weather outside, the diners are eating their meal while waiting for the live entertainment to start. But what is it? All will be revealed. So this is one where you don't puzzle what you see, i.e. the picture, but it's what will happen next. Now I will say, because I've done 2 of these, although with these ones where there are some indications on this, so because this is what happens next, a lot of this I think will be, you'll be able to use these as anchors. They do have a hint on the edge because they have these like so-called hints. So the first hint 1 is what I just read out. Hint 2, try to imagine what will happen next. It's got a picture of this guy here, as in him who's pointing at the sign, which, is just saying live entertainment. So that's sort of marginal hint. The next hint is just the picture, but there's a hint which you might not necessarily always see. This is on the more modern ones. So there's a hint on the spine here, and this is actually anchor points. Which, if you had the main picture, I'm sorry, I'm not focusing this. I'll put a screenshot on before I start the jigsaw. So they are anchor points of things which are in the main picture. So what we've got, that guy there. Who else? This guy here who's now pointing. And the stag which seems to be coming out of the picture, and what's that? Yeah, so it's got a bowl of soup, great anchor, we know there's a bowl of soup there, and the last one is the bird outside in the window. So we know that it's going to pretty much be some of the template of this living room, breakfast scene, evening meal scene in this hotel. We know it's a hotel because it says Crabbamore Guest House. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with this, and I will be doing it blind. I don't cheat, just for the crack. But if you're here because you want to know what the solution is, the timestamp for when I show the solution, because I'm just going to show a time lapse of me doing this, and then the timestamp of the solution is below now. So fast forward to the time you see, and you can see the full solution of this if you're doing this yourself and you want to know what the blinking owl you're looking at. So I will crack on with this now, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, bye. So that was relatively simple to complete. You know, another picture postcard, you know, humour, you know, seaside humour with this. So she was pole dancing round the light fitting on that one. Relatively easy to do, that was. Yeah, it took me 2 evenings, but I've been doing other stuff. So thanks for watching, and if you want to see more of these WASGIJ completions, I've got several more of these. There is a playlist saved if you want to go and have a look at them. So I will see you again soon with another one of these jigsaws, and I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you very much. Goodbye.